So usually when you're painting a cabinet door or trim or molding, furniture, you paint one side, right? Paint the edges, you set it down, and now you wait. You gotta wait for it to dry. On top of that, where you painted your edges, if you had set this down on newspaper or on your work surface, the edges can dry and stick to the surface, right? Cause a mess. The Hyde Painters Pyramids solves both of those problems by getting your material up in the air and off of your work surface. So now you can paint one side and immediately flip it over onto those painters pyramids and continue painting. So now you can paint your top side here and get the edges, and you won't have to worry about it sticking to your surface, and you can paint both sides at once, saving you time. Now the tips on these pyramids are non-stick and they're really small, as you can see, so it's not gonna mar your paint job and it won't stick to the paint as it dries. The painter pyramids also have a lock and tab system. They have a little tab right here to lock into every other pyramid. So you simply snap them together, and now you have a unit that can be used to hold awkwardly shaped pieces, or let's say a long and skinny piece of trim or molding. Now it can set down and be nice and stable on the painter's pyramids while you paint all the sides of your piece of molding or trim. Lastly, Hyde's Painters Pyramids have little holes right here so they can be screwed into your work surface for added stability when you're working on long pieces of trim or molding. Thanks for choosing Hyde Tools. If you have any questions about this tool, go ahead and leave it in the comments below and we will do our best to answer that question for you.